Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tonkeji. So today I will be explaining to you the details explanation on crypto market cap for a beginner. So I have do the intro last time, and now I want to go into details of what crypto market cap is all about. So if you have been in crypto space for a while now and you don't know what crypto market cap is, this video is for you, so that you're going to learn a little thing that will add to your own knowledge you have before. So this crypto market cap, like I said, is also known as market capitalization, and it is the total value of cryptocurrency in circulation. So now we are going to use Pi as the case study here. I've already given you the formula, which is, I said, the crypto market cap is the current price multiplied by the current circulation supply of that coin. Will give you the round figure of what market cap is all about at that moment. Market cap always changes as the price and circulation changes as well. Understand? So now I'll give an example here. We are going to use Pi as a case study. We all know Pi. We all mine Pi. We all trading Pi. So now this is the current value of Pi network as of today, being 1st of June 2026. Well, the Pi is trading at $0.148. So now, and there is 10.6 billion in circulation. So if you multiply that value now by that 10.something billion in circulation, it will give you 1.5 billion market cap of current Pi network now. I now ask you, why is market cap important? Market cap is important because it shows the size of the cryptocurrency. It indicates how much money is invested in it. Understand? So it also helps you to evaluate growth potential. Okay. So and it also helps assess risk level, because low market cap have high risk, which you are going to still see here. So we have market cap categories. So we have large market cap. So why should we invest in a coin with large market cap? So now I was explaining about market cap categories. So we have different categories of market cap, which you will be seeing, or which some of the coins you have rated have those market caps. So you will know a category of kind of cryptocurrency you are holding, and you understand why it's taking time to move and why it's moving so rapidly. And so you are going to see everything here. So now we have first one, which is my large market cap, which is above market cap that is above 10 billion. So we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is about almost 1.5 trillion. If you check it, if you want to know how to check it, you can search CoinGecko.com or something like that on your Chrome browser. Once you hope it opens, it's available for everybody. So you go to search, you see search icon, you search for any coin there. Once you search for any coin there, you go to info, you are going to see all of this. So now let's continue where we are. So we're talking about the large market cap, which is above 10 billion. So they say that they are more stable. So they are more stable. And another one is they have low risk of investment. So if you invest your money there, there is no possibility that your money will crash to zero. So no way, it's not going to crash to zero. And also based on the growing aspect, it will take time for it to grow, but it will definitely grow. You understand? So Bitcoin and Ethereum is you can consider another coin that's above 10 billion. You can consider investing in such, knowing fully that your money cannot go down easily. You understand? So another the third aspect of it, which might be the disadvantage, is that it's slower in growth. You understand? It's slow in growth. So if you invest in such coin, you have to be patient. You understand? So it's not something that you can invest today and say tomorrow it will do 1x 2x. No, it doesn't happen like that in such coin. You understand? So another one is the mid or moderate cap, a coin that is 1 billion to 10 billion. So in this category, that is where Pi network fall at the moment. Pi network fall within $1 billion to 10 billion market cap. So they have moderate risk. You understand? So if you invest in Pi Network, some of us that invested like almost 3,000 at launch, 1.5 that bought it like that. So a secret current rate of it now. So your money didn't go, but but it's a moderate risk. You understand? Your money didn't go, but part of it have already gone. You understand? So another one is a moderate growth potential. So like this is a Pi Network now. We are not going to see the growth as anytime soon. You understand? So as soon as they are unlocking more people are selling off and all of that. So we are not going to see the growth now. Maybe after all the locked Pi have been unlocked. Understand? Then we will now see the real investors in the Pi Network. That's when we'll see a growth potential there. Understand? So now we have the third one, which is small market cap under 1 billion. So here now 100 million cryptos coming. Understand? So here now they have high risk. When you talk about meme coins, I don't know if some of you trade meme coins. So or if you trade meme coins, you're going to see counter such thing. You have high risk. You invest your money today, you are going to see if you can invest $100 and you might see $1,000 or even and above tomorrow or before 24 hours. Understand? Or even a week after. If they have higher risk, higher reward potential, and more volatile, that is where meme coin comes in. You understand? So in meme coins, can still invest $100 as it will crash to zero in your own very face. You understand? So that is this. So if you are considering investing in cryptocurrencies, so you have to do your own research about all of them. You understand? And see. With this knowledge now, I think you already know the kind of cryptocurrency you can invest if you want to hold for a long time, if you want to hold for a short time. So with this, you already know the kind of cryptocurrency to invest in. Okay, so now I gave an example here: market cap and versus the price. What I said, coin A and coin B. Coin A have $1 is worth $1 and have 1 billion supply with market cap of 1 billion. Why coin B have $100 as the value and 1 million as the supply and 100 million as the the market cap? Now, which one is more valuable? So I said although B costs more, you understand, per coin, but coin A have larger overall value because of its market cap. You see 1 billion compared to 1 million. Yeah, you can see the big difference there. You understand? So coin A will grow with potential. You understand? Just like the example, if you compare this thing, there's an example with the categories of market cap I've shown above. You are going to learn something there. You understand? So we have types of supply, which I said I'll teach you. But there is a lot of them. So there that I showed in the real video, that short clip I did last time, which I said one after the other. So now after this one, I'm going to teach other ones. We have circulating supply. Circulating supply is a coin currently available to the public, which is the one you multiply to the current value. That will give you what market cap is. We have total supply. Total supply is all the total supply that will be supplied, that the coin have. Like this Pi Network. I don't know. I will check later how many how many quantity of Pi that will ever exist. But for Bitcoin, you have almost 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist. 21 million pieces of Bitcoin that will ever exist. We have maximum supply, like the total number of coin that can ever exist. You understand? Maximum supply and total supply is almost the same thing. You understand? So I did an example of Bitcoin here. You understand? So many beginner. So common mistake that beginner normally do, that they assume that coin that is worth at 0.01 can easily reach like Bitcoin. Just like we have GCV believers in Pi Network. You believe that Pi Network will come and reach almost that kind of amount they are calling, which is even way more than the Bitcoin price. You understand? So don't be swayed away by those people. You You understand? So you have to pay attention and do your own research. You have the tools, you have the phone in your hand, you can do research and all of that. You understand? So always check for the price, circulating supply and market cap. So easy way to remember is price tell you what the coin is cost at the moment. The market cap tell you the overall value of that coin. So when analyzing any crypto project, market cap is often more important than the coin price. Understand? So with the categories of market cap I have showed you before, you learn a lot of things there and invest wisely anytime you are investing in any cryptocurrencies too. If somebody drop a signal in the group, so you buy this coin, all you have to do is do your own research. Understand? So you have to come and do your own research, just like I have showed you in this video. There's no other way to do research aside this. Come to CoinGecko, analyze those coins. So if it's a meme coin you are trading, check if it's a narrative coin. Understand? And all of that. I won't have to tell you this. This is what I teach, in my private class. You understand? They have every coin have where they fall in. They have narrative coin, authoritative coin, so many of them. So depending on the kind of coin that is circulating, you have to make research on it to know where the coin is coming from. Understand? After making this research as well. So if this help you, if you watch to this level and this help add to your knowledge, give me a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. Ask your question. If you have question, drop it on the comments. I'm going to attend to you there, or you come to my private DM on WhatsApp and ask me. I will especially answer you. So thanks for staying, Mr. Don, and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your community for them too to learn. Bye for now.